What's up guys, it's Josie here. Today we will be going into Target to see if there are any Easter colored fidgets that we can find. Hey guys, it's me, and I'm in the toy section, and I already see a whole lot of fidgets, and I'm so excited. We have some Pop Blocks here, very Easter themed color. We got some pink, we got this yellow, got some blue, got some green. I use these colors in my Easter egg. Do you guys remember that video where I was painting Easter egg? We'll see. These Pop Blocks here. There's a variety of colors. Put that back. Ooh, this one has another color. This is shaky. We also got these gummy blobs. You can stick it, stretch it, squish it, and it glows in the dark. Ooh, I'm so excited to see if it glows in the dark. Let's see. Ooh, we have these poo collections. Squishy. That's nice. Got some amazing putty. Magnetic putty. Oh, what is this? Magnetic. Magnet not included. Oh my gosh, look at this cute puppy with its nice big ears. It's so cute, and I just couldn't resist giving it a nice big hug. Ooh, we have another one of these color shaders. These are cute. We also have this globe here. Ooh, look at the penguin. It's trying to get out. It's like, help me. Help me. Kind of reminds me of a snow globe, but the glitter doesn't move. This is so squishy. Like, squish your face off. Slow rise. Nice. We got this one here. It looks like maybe an otter covered in pink slime or something. It's so squishy. What is this one? A squish ball DNA. So squishy. Look at it. It's Easter color too. Look at these spinners here. It's high quality bearings. We could probably spin faster, spin longer. Ooh, silent spinning. Finally doesn't make any noise. That's what these things. Got another one. That one was in pink. This one is in silver. Spins so fast, probably. Ooh, I used to love these. I still do. See? It's so satisfying. And we also got some slime here. Got some amazing slime. Dazzle collection. So pretty. We got green, we got blue, and we got purple. We got some more slime over here. The amazing slime. XL Splits. Glitterpalooza. This is so pretty. Got green and blue, both Easter colors. We also have this neon bright. It is pink and yellow. This is so satisfying. This is a pop-it here. Nice and pop. Look at these poppets. This is Easter colors. So pretty. We also have this one, very glittery. Not a Easter color, but still, I love glitter. We got these colors. We got like a light blue, navy purple, and then pink. I love these colors. We also got yellow here. This is nice. Look at the pearl. So pretty, so shiny. I wonder if this glows in the dark or something, or it like shimmers in the dark. Ooh, it's so satisfying when you can see your finger pop through. Look at Olaf. We got this. Ooh, it's so easy. It's so soft to pop.
Good ones in the bottom.
We got these puppets here, mini.
I just saw the green one over there.
Ooh, this is Ariel.
Oh, cute.
Disney princess. So pretty. So glittery.
What's behind there?
We got this alien one that's from Pixar movie. I forgot which movie it is. I think it's from Toy Story. I like this one. Look at the... Oh, how fun it is to pop. Got glitter. I'm back from Target, and this is what I got. So first, I have this Pin Art XL. It's really satisfying. Basically, you can put any object in there, and then boom, you can see it on the other side. So satisfying. So, we were looking for Easter colors, so we found these gummy globs, and it has a bag full of all the Easter colors. It has this pretty blue, this pink, this green, this orange, this other green, this lighter green, and this white. It's basically clear. And you can stick it, you can stretch it, squish it, and it glows in the dark. That's crazy, right? And we have this Pop-It Easter egg. It's a mini. It's basically just the shape of an Easter egg. It has all the Easter colors. You could pop it. It's like so soft, and it's like easy to pop because it's like a bit more firmer. So next we have this Pop-It Glittery. It is the never-ending bubble popping game. It's for on the go, it's durable, it washes with soap, and there's no pieces to keep track of. It's so easy to pop, pop, pop. Those are all the ones I got from Target. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember to always stay tuned to this channel. Jazzy the Great.